Hey guys, let's see today how to check visibility with your iPhone, and depends on your geolocation wherever it belongs to. So for that guys, just tap on here. You can see this, right? You can just tap on it here. And guys, it depends on the, as I said, that depends on the geolocation wherever it belongs to. So just hit that one, just try to come down, and you can just, if you come down, you can just see here the visibility. Yeah, you can see this visibility. Just tap on it, and now guys, from here you can see this one. Yeah, I think perfectly clear, and you can see this with respect to the your date, and also you will get the summary. On Saturday the lowest visibility will be the fairly clear at the 7 kilometer, and the highest will be perfectly clear at 17 kilometer. So this way you can get visibility on your iPhone. And also guys, if you will get that option to change that. Yeah, if you want kilometer to miles, yeah, miles to kilometer, you can change that one. So this way guys, you can check the visibility with your iPhone. Yeah, you can see that on your iPhone, on the iOS latest version. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.